Tigerville students, I've got 3 boxes here, so you know what that means. It's another new books unboxing. So let's get started. I'm not familiar with that cover. Oh, I know what this is. I had some requests earlier this year for some more MMO series. This is a new series. The new book is Zombies Day Off. And I mentioned in an earlier video about Raleigh Jefferson's Awesome Friendly Adventure. It's another one by Jeff Kinney, Raleigh's Awesome Friendly Adventure. The other book was Diary of an Awesome Friendly Kid, and then we had another one in this series, so glad to be getting these. Now let's see what's in the next box. This box doesn't want to open. A replacement copy of We Forgot Brock. This was a South Carolina Children's Picture Book Award nominee a few years ago. And we've talked about The Land of Stories in some other unboxing videos, and we have most of those books. There's a picture book that comes from the Land of Stories series. It's called A Tale from the Land of Stories. It's called The Curvy Tree. So we have that one by Chris Colfer. That's all in that box. Now let's open our final box today. And see what we get. This box is the heaviest box of the 3. So I think it's gonna have more books in it. Oh, we got the entire series of Mouse Heart. We had these. We had one of them kind of fall apart. So we've got some new ones. So we've got Mouse Heart Volume 2, Hopper's Destiny, and Mouse Heart Volume 3, Return of the Forgotten. So we'll be breaking these out of this box and getting those ready for you guys. Oh, we have Dogman Mothering Heights. And we have another MMO, A Whole New World. This is a replacement copy. This book was loved so much that it fell apart. So we're getting another copy. And then we have another Science Comics. Again, a requested series. Get as many of these as we could. Science Comics, Sharks. All shark books are popular. All kids enjoy reading about sharks, so I know they're going to enjoy these. Guys, that's another unboxing. Can't wait to get these in your hands.